Spring has just started here, but as you can see, there's still lots of snow and the cattle must be fed. As Isaiah 55, 8 through 12 says, the rain and the snow shall fall from heaven and make the earth bloom and grow. And last year's winter and last spring's rain made the hay, made the grass grow, and we baled it into hay. And that's what we're pushing out to the cattle right now to feed them. It's the way God's seasons work. God says He does the same thing spiritually with His doctrines and His truth falling on the earth and producing fruit in mankind. We'll zoom in on the forest there. You see the cattle, they like to lay underneath the trees for protection from the weather. And now they have food for a few more days because of God's system, bringing rain and snow to the earth. And soon all this snow will give way to grass. And the grass will grow for another year. God's language says, His doctrine and His truth, in Isaiah 55 and Deuteronomy 31, fall to the earth and make the earth bloom and grow so that we have food every year. Likewise, for the human race, when we receive the doctrine that He sent to form His Word, the Bible, it can help us bloom and grow as human beings. And that's another thought from the language of God, tying creation to the Bible, so we understand more of God's way of thinking and more of His plans for the human race.